Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you where is the interior fuse box. In the beginning take a look at the driver door jump, and now insert right here something thin and sharp, something like screwdriver with the thin head. Then you have to make lever to pull it, and in the end you can pull out the whole cover. Here is the interior fuse box. To close it, simply insert these two designed holes and push. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.